Hello, welcome back to my channel, Maison Network. Today I just bought these jeans from Pull&Bear. Okay, so I bought two actually, but the first one that I bought is the one. It's this one. So let's look into some of the pictures. Alright, and I bought it on the $59.90. The normal price is $99.90, and the size that I took is 40. Okay, let's see, measurement is 40, waist inches, body waist 31.2, low rise 32.4. Okay, right. Okay, so yeah, they're not sent to my my house, but they sent to the nearest outlet, which is my town. They sent it to my town. So here's the packaging. So this is the first. Oh, 149 normal price. In Pakistan. Here. It's a bit different now. Alright, that's it. That's the unboxing for my skinny jeans Pull&Bear for the blue color. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye. I bought it $59.90.